Hello, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. This is Diane. Welcome back to Tech with Dan. If you are new on this channel, please consider to subscribe. We keep bringing you videos related to programming, web development, Django, Python, JavaScript. And if you're interested, just subscribe and you'll always get notifications. Yeah, let's get started. 8 months ago, I did a video on error of Django called page not found. So there were a few things that I didn't tackle in that video, and then I feel like I should do them on this video again. And this is what I'm going to do. Let's get started. To begin with, I have a simple project that I call tutor class, and inside the project, then I created an app called tutor. Then so in the settings files of a project, then I added the app, which is the tutor app, into the setting installed apps. Then I also went ahead and registered that app as the main app for my homepage, which is where that's why you're seeing I do not add here tutor if I was to use it as another app, but I want this to be my home app. That's why I have embed string here. All right, then I import include so that we can use the include function to include the app, which is the URLs of the app here. All right, then when you go to the app, I do have a basic view that I created, which is the home view, which I create a home view and render it. And also in the tutor app, I have the URLs pattern setup, which is there. Then I import from the views, then I register the path, which is the path with the embed string. That means it's going to be the home page for the website, right? Then I do have the home view, which is passed here from my views, and I give the name as a home. All right, so you can see where the problem comes from is people do pass direct here the app name. For example, if I do tutor app, then I'm passing there, which means this template needs to be in the middle. I mean, the template has to carry another name called tutor app. All right, for example, here I'm going to create a tutor. Then I'm going to make sure, then I take this, I move it to the templates. Then I move the home index, the home HTML file to the tutor app. Then you can now see if I collapse, then it is, if you see the directory is the templates is in the tutor app and the templates and the tutor, then the home.html file. And now if I want to specifically identify that, then I'm going to go to the app here. I'm going to say the app name to be tutor. That's when, be careful with the indentation and just make sure your indentations are clear. Then the app name is the tutor, and then if I want to reference that to my HTML, then I can do tutor/home/that. But if I choose not to add this like the previous one, which means I don't need to go into tutor, and then I don't need to specify there where the app name is coming from. So let's try this and run the server. Say python manage.py run server. Let's see. Now here our server is running, and if I click that, we should be, yeah, we should be having this the template here. So, but one more thing I need to do is I want to create a secondary, I need to create another page and another, I mean like another HTML file. I will call it about page. Let me say, let me just create. Okay, I need to make sure it is in the tutor, and then let me say about.html. Then I'm just going to copy this file, this simple HTML file. I know when you're doing this, you already have your template. You're a good designer, design this. Then let's say welcome to, I'm just going to put this, I'm just going to write about page. About page. There. All right. So how can I use this link? If I click here, then it takes me to the about page in Django. So what I do need to do is I need to create a view for the about. Just going to copy that and change this to about. Now it's in tutor / about.html. Then this should be about view. Then I need to go and add the patterns. I'm just going to copy that and change this to about / then this should be the view, which is the about view. Then I give this name to be about, right? So I want to use this when I click here on about. Now you can see it's not taking me to anything, right? But I need to click on about, then it takes me to that page. So what I need to do is I'm going to go back to my HTML. Then I'm going to put curly braces and 2% signs in it. I'm going to say URL, then in a bracket, in a quotation, then I'm going to say what's the name of my app name. It's called tutor, then semicolon, then the name I gave for that URL pattern that was called about here. So this name is the one that we used here for linking up there. So that's why it's in tutor and then semicolon about. This is because here we said it's the app name is the tutor, right? Because even there you can see the app name we have this tutor, that's why we're referencing that. But if we didn't have this template inside, if we didn't have the tutor inside there where all the files, the HTML files are in the tutor, we could just do direct here in the home page. We could just do that direct like that. But if we don't do tutor colon tutor colon, then we're going to face challenges. All right, so that's why we have to do tutor colon, and yeah. So now if I go and click, then you can see here about page. Yeah. Then you can see I click again, it takes me to about page. But if I don't put the semicolon, it's going to throw another error. You can see. All right, I need to clean my check files, because sometimes check files make you to not to do what you want. Good. Back. First clean that. Now you see the reverse match not. This is because even if you see the error here, because we didn't have the specific location, it can't find where that specific location is, and that could generate that error. So all you need to do is go add tutor semicolon, then it's going to locate that. Then you see that now we have. Then another challenge would be where to control that page not found error will be here. If you just don't have that specific location, you do not add the tutor where the app is, because your page about pages is in the templates and in the tutor. If you don't do the tutor and / the about home about HTML, then you're going to see that error. Let me refresh that and go back to the home page. Then you're going to see that. Can it first clean that? That should. I was doing the home page. You will see refresh. Then that. Now you see template does not exist, which means the page is not found, right? The template does not exist is coming from here. It doesn't find exactly where this page is. Okay, this page is, because the reason is, where is the template? The template is home template, which is home.html, and then it's in the tutor, and then you just have to specify tutor /. And then even same thing to about. What's important, the keynote here is if you put your template in the tutor app, in whatever app you created, the name you gave, and you create the template in that app, and then you do template / the app that you've given its name, you must also be able to have a direct path here. Your directory must also be matching with what you've done there. So guys, these are the few things I would like to attach in this video. If you like this video, please comment, share, and subscribe so that you keep getting videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you in another one.